hear me now?
Yeah, can you see live?
Live. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live. No, now this conversation is on live.
Okay, fine. So I launch
So
application. This one
no,
I
no, no.
have
This
to. Okay. So it's remain as it is, isn't it?
yeah. Now it is recording.
Okay. So I'll go to I share my screen now.
Yeah.
Share. Have you seen my screen now?
Yeah, yeah. I can.
Okay.
Yeah,
Have you seen now? Isn't it?
yeah. I can see.
Okay, fine.
So it
So,
it it shows live, right?
uh-huh.
No, it
Wait.
shows right live, right?
Live, live, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So, we will go to set statement.
Okay.
So, set statement mainly used to join the table and they can concatenate the table.
Okay.
How you concatenate the table? So, it's, okay, fine. I create a table data in data A,
Okay.
the cards. I'm using 101
Okay.
A. Here I can forward to give the dollar sign.
No.
F two B and C and comma 4. So just create a simple data set only.
Okay. நான் எடுத்து கொடுத்தேன்.
Wait. This data set created. I can create one more data set. Data B ID is common. Name. I can say some salary.
Okay.
One not parts. So one not five. Name say whatever. Not four. Run.
Okay.
So I just create two data set.
Okay.
Now I want to join this data set. I can create third data set. See, in the sets we can join more than two tables
Okay.
at a time. So
Okay.
suppose it just concatenated the data. I just create a data C
Okay.
and I can say A and B. Just
Okay.
run. So it will concatenate data. Now here you can see there is seven observations set C. So four
Yeah.
observations it take from A table and three
Okay.
observations take it from B table. So I
Okay.
just join. You can see the result. I mean, so here it will join. It will add all the column. So whatever it
Okay.
is, you see here some data is common, is it?
Yeah.
ID, name. Say these two ID are common. 104, 103 is common. But still, it
Yep.
is just is appending. It doesn't
Yes.
know. Like it don't look like H lookup, V lookup where you can treat a form where there is an Excel.
Okay.
So it just append the data.
Yeah.
It's append the data. So I mean say this is vertically they will append the data. Isn't it?
Okay.
Okay. So what now? This is a simple how to create how to append a database in statistics.
Okay.
I can say data. I can put the. I just use set A, comma set B.
Okay.
Just run. Now here see in the set B,
Okay.
you say three observations and four variables.
Variable. Okay.
So now what I can do? Let's see. It will take the data from the last data set
Okay.
B, and it take the minimum observations.
Okay.
If you go open the set B, it just say 105, 104, and 103. And
So
again,
unique IDs.
it's unique things for a common, but it's not common, but it is all the data from
B.
second B, or say if you put the second table, set B,
Okay.
okay, and it will add all the variables. What are the variables common? What are the someone
Okay.
what I mean? There's a background to disturb over. So you see, this is ID, name, and sex and cell. So here
Okay.
you can see all the variable images.
Okay.
So it will, I mean, one can do work B. So
Okay.
this is A,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and
Okay.
there is one more variable. Just
Salary.
add the cells.
Yeah.
Salary. Again, see the D full result here. See these B is 104, 104, 105, 104, and 103. And and B is 104, 105, 104, and 103.
Okay.
So observations, ID observations are same as B,
Okay.
isn't?
Okay.
And so uh,
So it will add in horizontally, right?
yeah, it's horizontally. Here it's at horizontally. So it's like it can do the work of merging the two tables. So here this
Okay.
table set A and set B, but
Okay.
the basic difference is that it will take the value of second table, all the
Okay.
value of second table. See all the ID of second table, and it added all the I mean name, sex, and sales from it added
Okay.
all the variables from both the tables. So if you see A, it's 101, 102, 103, and 104,
Yeah.
and B is what is this? 105, 104, and 103,
3. Yeah.
and D is like 105, 104, 103. So it will take the value of second table only.
Okay.
Where it is
So it will take the value of second table
table.
first,
Huh.
and then it takes the value from the first table also.
It will take a first table. What are the value available? See again.
Okay.
This is I mean
So that means that is a
this
unique value, right?
you can say it's a unique, but no, it's not unique. It'll take all the ID from the second table,
Okay.
and here see, I'm this it's little confusing.
Yep.
If you see B salary, it is 52, 32, 36.
Maksudnya, udah tadi sana.
Some stuff is going in background. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So one, see, this is just an interview questions.
Okay.
Uh, Now suppose if I send the table,
Okay.
I make it B
Okay.
and make it A.
Okay.
Now what will happen? Here see, in the first B table observation is 3. Isn't? Now it has 3 observations, but uh,
It took set A as first table.
no, A is the second table, but in this case, if you're using this statement,
Okay.
so this is A as 4 observation, isn't? So as per our concept, might be it will take the 4 observation of the second table, but
Okay.
it will generally take, if you write a statement, it will take a minimum observation of both the table.
Okay.
So minimum is 3, isn't?
Yep.
So but it will take the minimum observation, and it will take the value of A only. Now you see what is the value of A table. A is
4
101,
column.
102, 103. So it will take
Yeah.
that only these 3 observations. It doesn't take this
Okay.
one. So you
Okay.
see the D table. I'm opening 101, 102, 103,
Okay.
and it will append these 3 salary as well. This data it will take because it will add this column.
Okay.
So just you have to understand this result because might be they'll ask in interview what will be the result. So it will add
Okay.
this salary column and
Okay.
from the table B, and it is added because this salary is not available here. 101, 101 is not there, isn't it?
Okay.
In D, you see 101 is C. This is just a moment. I obtained the table A as well. In A table, you didn't find the salary, isn't it? 101 doesn't have any salary.
Okay.
Okay, and if you see 101A is 52,000, 102 B is 32,000, and 103 is 36,000. But this, if you open the B table, this salary is present to 105, 104, and 103.
Yeah.
So what it can do, it will take all the observations from the B table,
Okay.
whatever pattern, it will take the data, just it merge it,
Okay.
and will make the observation from the first table. This all the means what the columns common in both
Okay.
the table, it will add first. Okay, then what are different columns available in both the table, then it will
Okay.
add. Okay,
Okay.
so this, that's why it's not. I mean, if you join in this way, you are not getting the proper data.
Okay.
Uh, but they asking interviews. What they asking in interviews? They
Yeah.
asking. Okay, suppose if you know about in generally we are not using set A and set B. We are using like
Okay.
only set and B to concatenate the data.
Okay.
So they are asking the interview. Have you ever used set B and set A for double set statement?
Okay.
Might be they'll ask how the observations there. So you just always take the least one.
Okay.
I mean, in Buddha table, what is the least number of observations available? Just asking the okay, only if you reply with okay, so first table is contain 5 observations, B table is contain 3 observations. So you can say answer is 3 only. If you they ask me the vice versa, but the others always remain 3.
Okay.
Okay? So this is just for your comment is your concept.
Uh, but
Okay,
it's quite confusing.
this is quite confusing. This is the reason. This data is quite confusing, but they are asking an interview. This not using at all. Just you have to know actually.
Okay.
If you see the result, you are getting quite confused.
Okay.
Just remember that it will take the in the two tables, it will take the minimum observation only.
Okay.
So if you do, if table A is 5 observation and table B 10 observation, then it will take the 5 observation. If you put set A here, set B, it will also take the
Okay.
minimum observation. There is 5 only.
Okay.
So now it's clear. Now
Oh
did you
yeah.
get confused?
Uh,
Okay. Suppose uh, here is in a program, isn't it?
yeah.
So I mean, now in this program,
Okay.
now you see there is 3 observations in work B, isn't
Yep.
it?
Yep. Yep.
And that 3 observations available in B table,
Okay.
and there is 4 observations you have seen in A table.
Uh,
Okay.
yep.
Now, if I write, if I run this program, you so now work dot D has 3 observations and 4 variables. So what is the minimum observation? It's D, 3 observations, isn't it? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's some background noise is going on.
Yeah. My friends.
Okay, just तो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है मुझे भी. So what I can you see 3 observations there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Set A and set B. Again, so it will take only the here as per this it will take the value of observation of A set A table because
Okay.
always take the second observation table. I mean
Okay.
second part, but the thing is that it will take the minimum observation in for this table. Okay,
Okay.
so minimum observation
Okay.
3 isn't. Now it's clear,
Yeah.
and it will add all the variables. It will take both the A names, this one ID, name, salary, and also it will add this variable all this. So here
Okay.
you can see the 4 variable and 3 observations. If I do vice versa, if I put A here and this is B, so here also you can find the 3 observation only. See, the 3 observation, 4 variable, isn't
Okay.
it? And these 3 observations are the observations is taken from the second table. Second table will set B1 now,
Oh.
and it will it will take all this value after this, and it will add this column only this expert from here.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine.
So how it happens first? This set B it will take all the value.
Okay.
All this is possible. You will see D now. 105, 104 will see. 104 will take sales all this first. Only sex it will take from the
First table.
first table. Sex column.
Okay.
Okay. But it doesn't mention whether this data is common or not. It doesn't say.
Okay.
It is not checking the common observations.
Yeah. Fine.
If you do alternative, you can put this is B and this is A again. Now, see the voice is going to mirror because I open it. So now, if you now this text A, this text, so there is 3 observations because with the minimum observation table is 3,
Yeah.
isn't it's B. But in these 3 observations taken from here, it will take all these 3 observations 101, 102, 103, and it will add this column. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
If you see D table, now see this is 101, 102, 103. This is the value of this column, and this column taken from the first table, and
Okay.
only at this column,
Take it from the second one.
second column. Okay,
Okay.
now it is clear, but this is not a proper result. And set only set one set Set 1 and 2, it will just append the data.
Okay.
This one we see, no, this one. See, if suppose they are asking in an interview, what will the total observation of this if I using set A, B, and set A semicolon, set B semicolon.
Okay.
So here you can see it will whatever it will just append the data. It doesn't check whether it is common or not.
Okay.
So it doesn't matching the value. It's just joining the data
Okay.
vertically. So this is take you 7 observations because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Seven.
So you can see work C has 7 observations and 4 variables. Now if you open the C table, you can see this is the result output. It append all the values. So 103 is common isn't in both the table,
Yeah.
but it
Yeah.
still is appending. So it doesn't remove
Yeah.
the duplicate, nothing else.
Okay.
So here it edit extra column, it edit all the variables. So it's the result is come like this. So this is the
So
difference.
is this the only way to create a vertical
If you want to join the
join?
tables,
Yeah.
we're using this one.
Okay.
Again, data, say E I am talking about. Now before it, I sorted the value of both the tables. I'm using proc sort data. So what is the table name first is A. Data equal to A by, I can put by ID. So while we are using by statement, we just sorted the value.
Okay. Based on the particular value, it's the data will be sorted.
Sorted. So ID it is sorted. And again I am sorting the next table also. Pro data equal to P by ID. Just run.
You can't sort both the tables in a single sort proc sort
No,
statement.
it's not possible. You can sort it more than one variable.
Okay. But not
Not
for the
you
one
can't
data
do
set.
it. One that is not possible.
Okay.
So I can see now it's sorted. And now it is sorted according to ascending order.
Okay.
You
So
see,
default will be the ascending order, right?
ascending order. So this is ascending order.
Okay.
So this is ascending order. Now what I can do? I joining these two data set data. Say I can data new using set A, set B by ID. You see that it will give the what observation will be the 7. Same observation what we are getting, but you see the result. There's a
Yeah.
difference.
Orders.
Huh? 7 observation.
In a
Yeah, tell me.
okay.
It's if
We'll get the
in
result in
in a
a
order,
ascending
proper
order.
order. Yeah, ascending order.
Okay.
So it's like see this 101, 102. So there is 103 border come.
Okay.
Okay, so 103, 103, 104, 104, and 105. So it's give you the result in ascending order. Ascending order. But it also it doesn't it also doesn't look on the no. See here these two are common, but
Yeah.
still it is having.
Okay.
So just appending a table. So if you go with by statement, it will give you the ascending order. If you want to go descending order, you'll get then you can put descending in proc sort.
Okay.
So okay, it's clear. You find a difference is in the both the three statement
Okay.
by ID, set A, set B, set A, set B, and set A and B. Okay, you see the difference. So by means
Okay.
it will
So one more doubt. So here you have used by ID, right?
yes.
If you are not sorting by ID, no, actually it was already sorted, right?
Yeah,
Why?
I know
Why?
it's we already sorted the well before. using by
Yeah,
ID. First we sorted the value.
yeah,
Then we are using by statement.
yeah. Then no, here what is the purpose of using this by ID here in new data set?
Yeah,
Because
see,
that both the data sets are already sorted.
uh-huh.
Okay, so if you're merging directly, so in which way it's going to give the same result, right? Then why
Same
you
result
are
only.
going to,
You can put also by ID, but yeah, you can also do it like this. You get the same result you can get. So it's already sorted. So you can
yeah,
also see it.
okay,
See, the difference is
because
that
my question is, yeah,
so without using by. See now, what is the difference? You see, 101, 102, 103, 104. It is appending the first data, all the data from the first table.
okay,
Okay, because it's sorted. Again, it will start from 103, 104, 105. Suppose you
okay,
want to make a continue, you join the table and continue in say ascending order. This not in ascending order, isn't.
yeah,
See again, this second table start from here,
okay,
103, 104, and 105.
okay,
So now, if you want to append this, append to ascending order, I mean proper ascending order, then you have to put by.
okay. Here my question is,
Uh-huh.
so so say for example, previously, say, okay, so is there any relation between using this by ID and the sort option you have used previously, right? Because my question is, you
Uh-huh.
are getting the proper order because you already used the proc sort statement. Or
Okay.
if I didn't proc sort before, will I get the same result if I just type like data new and set AB? Yeah, if I use only this program without
Yes,
sorting
only.
that both the
SAG,
data.
by ID,
Yeah,
run.
yeah. If I
Uh,
run without sorting the data sets, will I get the
no.
same result or?
If you see, if you go with the by statement, you have to first sort the value. This always been remember first sorting the value, then it
Okay.
will work. If you this by statement, not only here we are using in merge statement also.
Okay.
The merge
No,
the
I
table.
actually, so here we are using by statement because it's already been sorted before, right?
Yeah. Okay. See now. Let's see. I think it will throw an error because this one table only.
Yeah.
So what I can put, I just jumble the order here. 105, 106 I can put this one, and 107. Okay, this is okay. Now I'm not sorting the value. I just create
Okay.
a new one.
Okay.
So it will give you an error because you have to sort the value. Because by is the statement, it gives you the order in proper way.
Okay.
Suppose new one only get see. By variable are not properly sorted on the data set work.b. It will
Okay.
throw an error. Remove earlier, so it's not properly sorted. So you have to sort the value first.
Okay.
Then it will work. So before using any by statement in any program, you sorted the value. First,
Okay.
then you will do it. So
Okay.
generally it happen in both merge statement and cell statement. So you can join more than three table also. Three, four,
Okay.
five at a time in data set. Just set A, B, C, D you can write, will take.
Oh, fine.
So just you remember that not only two, it's not well, it's not mandatory we can join two tables, you can join more than two tables. You can join five, 10, 15, whatever.
Okay.
At a time. Just set is just right set A, B, C. So generally we are using this set statement only.
Okay.
Set statement. But in real time mainly we are using mark statement because we also not give the proper data. It just give you the it can just accumulate the data by using set statement or just appending the data. Okay. So shall we move to mark statement now?
Yeah. Can you give me 5 minutes? I'll be back.
Just take 10 minutes break and also have a cup and come back.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? வரல. வடையெல்லாம் சாப்பிட போறீங்க. நீங்க வடையெல்லாம் சாப்பிட போனீங்கன்னா 1/2 மணி நேரம் ஆயிரும். இல்ல வடை எல்லாம் வேணாம்.
Hello?
Yes, Deepak.
Okay. It's in my screen, no?
Yeah. So now it's merging, right? Merge.
Yeah, we go to merge statement. Good. So merge only used to merge the table, and it will generally it will take the value by matching. No, it's not like just it append table. It will only take the matching value. We can by using merging we can match up the table.
Okay.
So, let's see it's create. Okay, okay. We'll go with this two table only. I have A and B. So simply first data, I just create a new table, say combine. Using Mars A, comma B. For day. So I just merge the tables that are combined.
Okay.
I just click, you can see work.combine has 4 observations and 4 variables. Have you seen it?
Is it same like first example? Is it same like in set AB we have?
Set AB. Yeah. So if you open the
Okay,
combine
this is
statement,
on a.
it will merge the value, and again it will take the value from the second observation. I mean, set A and set B, isn't it?
Yeah.
So here see, so merge AB.
What is the difference between those two programs?
It's derivation already. So this is 104, 105, 103,
Yeah.
and this is here. See, A table has 4 observations and this is 3 observations. Now this combined table has 4 observations and 4 variables.
Okay.
So first, what can do? It will, if you see the result, combine 105, 104, 103, and 104. So a table so first it take all the value from B tables. If you compare these two combine, so first 3 value are from B table. Okay,
Okay.
then you'll take all the data from B tables, and this again it will add a sex column from the table A. So it will take this data.
Okay.
So, but it will take the higher observation and it take one value from table A. So take the last 104 FF. Take the last observation from table A.
Okay.
And because this tree is already filled up by the value taken to took it from table B. Now here question arises, it will take the, see in set A and B, set A, set B, you can see take the minimum observation, isn't it?
So
Minimum observations and the value take it from the second table. Here also the same thing, but it will take the maximum observation of the table and the value take it from the second table. Second table value, you see the first 3 value are the value take it from the second table, and there is 4 observations in the first table, so it will take the last observation from the first table. Okay, clear? So it will get confused. Hello,
yeah, yeah,
uh, is it clear? No, you understand that it's a logic.
yeah.
If I do vice versa, see,
Okay.
it will give you, it will take all the value from A only, second table, and it will give you the 4 observations only and 4 variables. So here you can see 4 observations, 4 variables, and the combine will take the value from, it will take all the values from second table, and again it will same way. See, this is table B and this is table A. Now I just do vice versa. First, previously I was put B and A. Now I put, previously I was put A and B. Now I
Yeah.
put B and A. Now see, it will combine table. Just go to combine table. You see, this is 101, 106, 107, 102. This is all the value taken from the table A. It'll take all. First, it'll take this value,
Okay.
and it will add the column only the salary column from the B table, but it
Okay.
does not take any observation from here.
Okay.
The thing is that if it will take a maximum observation, so here observation will be 4, and same thing with it's just in set B, here it take a minimum observation, here take a maximum observation of the table. Okay,
Okay.
and the table take it from the take the data from the second table, and it will merge all the column. This also is not, I mean, say this is not proper way to merge the table.
Oh, okay.
Now we can do it by using by statement. So while we do uh, any while we merging the table, always go with by statement. So before that again, when we are using by statement, we have to sort the table. We're sorting the table by using prop sort. The prop sort data equal to A by ID I can do. Just run. I can say again prop sort data equal to B by ID. Just run. Now both this table are sorted. Now I'm using by ID. So I just create data N1. So I'm using Mars A, comma B by ID
ID.
and just run. So here you can see there's 6 observations and 4 variables.
Okay.
So now the difference between set A and B. In set A and B, we can see if we run this one not the simple set A and B. If you run this, you'll get 7 observation, and when in the merge statement, it will give you a 6 observations. So now it will take see go to N1, it will add it, and it will remove the duplicate. Say there is only one not one, 103, 104, 105, 106, and 107.
Yeah.
So to merge the table, this is a proper way to merge the table. So if
Oh,
there is any it's duplicate, you can say is there any ID is duplicate or is there any common? It will take a
okay.
common value as well. See, in A table 103 C, this is sex and salary, and B also
Okay.
in B you can see 103 C and 36,000.
Yeah.
So these values come extra in set, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the Mars what can do? It will take the unique. It will just it'll take the common value and is just append that data set, Mars data set.
Okay.
So now this 103 C, there is no data, just add the salary. So this is the difference. So it's clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear.
Now we'll go with some more from with Mars statement.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I'll create some data set.
Okay.
Data. salary. So I can just put here cards. Just a moment.
Okay.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Hello. Mohit, I may know who's in the line. Hello. Hello. Yes, I got a call from this number. I got a call from this number. Miss call. Phone borrow. Hi Nikki, hi Nikki, hi. না 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 ওরে মতে অলপ এই কামতে ব্যস্ত আছিলি বুঝতে পারলাম দে নাই নাই আমার এই ক্লাস এটা লৈ আছো নেকি ক্লাস এটা লৈ আছো বোলো হ'ব হ'ব हेलो हाँ हेलो 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 हाँ राजेश
Yeah, Deepan. Are you talking to me?
yeah right I'm talking to you okay
Okay.
this one data set and get one more data set say data is data 2 see in merging also you can merge more than two tables okay how much you want is up to you
Okay, I think there's a concept like one-to-one merging or one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many, right?
yes. Is there. So this is about how to concatenate data sets one to many like this. Okay.
Yeah.
There should be one column, one variable should be common.
Okay.
Okay.
That is one-to-one.
Yes. And no, in
Okay.
every table there is one variable should be common.
Yeah, relativity will be there.
Okay. So fine. Data 2 I'm using this set. But not set I'm using and create one more. It is ID is common.
Okay.
and there is no name. Just I want to say some. I get one more column. I just want to get one more column bonus. Okay, and just remove the cards. Okay, this is in 101 and say 54. I can run rate 103 and 4000 105 talking 6000 108 okay, I'll create some more value 109 7000 so 11 so this is you can say just create a two table. One is 1 and one is 2.
Okay.
Now see, now we are using the concept like if and AND combinations. We're using here,
Okay.
we just mark the table. So my first that I want to see the common observations or common data in the two tables.
Okay.
So I suppose I want to see what are the common observation or common data. I just create one more data set where I can take all the common values from these two tables.
Only the
Okay.
common.
Yeah, only
Yeah.
the common values. So here you can see there is some idea are common agents. So I want to
Yep.
create a data set. Now,
Okay.
so again, always before we going to mark statement, always sorting the
Sort the
data
data.
for approx sort data equal to you can say put 1. So by ID you
ID.
can put and this is run.
Okay.
Okay. So just use this and one more I can do the same thing, just copy and paste it here. So this is true. So I sorted body data set. Now I'm merging the data set. Suppose I want to see the common value. Okay, so first what I can do, I'm using a create data say tree data common you can say common whatever. I'm using merge statement. As a merge statement, so first my data is 1.
Okay.
Now I am using in function inside the data, I just make it a.
Okay.
So this is for now 1 instead of 1. This we just like a alias name. I just
Okay.
create a instead of 1. I can put a now.
Okay.
It's not mandatory. You can put anything, but you should put in is a keyword.
Okay.
Okay, 1. Now I can put a again. For 2, again I can use in again put b.
So you are giving reference to the complete data set as A, right?
Yeah, that it's a is a reference of 1 and b is a reference of 2.
Okay.
Using by ID. So I just put ID here. Now what I can do is that I using if condition. If
Okay.
A and B done. So if A and B means it will satisfy both the condition. Means what A and B means what. So this it will check what are data common in both the tables. Okay, I told
No,
you
actually
like
conditions right here.
uh-huh,
No, we haven't given any conditions, right? You just mentioned like if
A and B.
variable A and B. So
So
that
it's
means
not see this is A is not a variable right now. It's A is a table. See instead of
okay,
writing
complete table.
one, it's a complete
Okay.
table. I writing one, I writing
Okay.
A. Now instead of one it take A and
Okay.
instead of
So
two it
you
will take
take
B.
yeah.
So it's
But
a
here you
reference
have
for
to
A, reference B. Yeah.
no, actually here you have to mention like if A equal to B, right?
That's also
why
you
you
can. So there is two ways you can do it. I'll see. There is you can do like this also. There is one more way you can A equal to B. I'll show
okay,
you.
okay.
First, you can
Yeah.
see. Now you understand from actually the and conditions also you are using.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
here you can see there's four observations and four variables.
Okay.
So this is
So only
simply
the common between
uh,
these both the tables, you'll
yeah,
get
you
the
can take this
results.
only. So this idea are common and this variables are common. So we'll take a
Okay.
bonus and salary. So it add all the variables from both the table and you'll get a common variable. Now
Okay.
same thing I can use copy paste it here. I can write say equal. You can put equal sign or you can put eq also both anything. Okay.
Change the dataset name as
Dataset name just you put common one. So this equal sign or you can put equal both, no issues.
okay.
Again, so you can see the common one. The four
Yeah.
variables. Now you can see this is common one and this is common. You can just compare the value. Same
Okay.
values are coming, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now this is how to do it the common variables. Now you can go it which are not common in border tables. Suppose I want to paste the data. Put Z I can put here. Not equal, I can put here just any. Any is not equal.
Okay.
I can put here a common and data common two. Uh, so let's say you can see this. There is seven observations. So these seven observations are not common. See, this is really good common two. So this is not common value, isn't it?
But even though it merges the table.
It marks the table.
Okay.
It marks in the table. It take the see. It take the
The
observation
unique
from
value and they use both the
this
tables.
yes, the unique value. So you can say this. I told you no, this is not common. Which is not common in border table. We can use like this. Which is not common. Okay.
Mm.
Now you can do it in other way also. The same program you can write. Put so if a equal to 0, so e equal to 0. Now I put this one. I can say 3. Now our last is common to 7 observation, isn't it? So this
Yeah.
also gives the 7 observation. You can do like this also. Instead of writing if a is not equal to b, you can write like this also. See now how it's work. Uh, so now you can see common 3.
Okay.
Again, you can see this 7 observation and 4 variables. You can get the same observation, same kind of table.
No,
Okay.
actually here what is zero
Sorry.
means
Tell
you
me.
mentioned. So
Yeah,
is it
if
a
a,
true or false condition, right? If it is the one, then you'll get the similar.
huh.
No, no. Actually, what is
No,
zero
so
mean?
0 means here, here if you put a equal to 0 and b equal to 0, so that means this will take a value from here only, from the first table.
Okay.
What are not, first it will check this board's condition.
Okay.
Okay, it will say anyone to print, it will return the value. So which actually these which are not common in border table. Either you can do like this or you can do it in this way also. Let's you can put one, but I think one will not take.
தண்ணியே எல்லாம் போச்சு பம்பு செட் எடுத்து முடிக்காங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் 5 வருஷம் வந்து பார்த்தேன் பம்பு செட் இல்லாமல் போயிடுச்சு கேமரா எடுத்து முடிட்டாங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் 5 வருஷம் வந்து பார்த்தேன் கல்லு ஊட்டிருந்தாங்க
So it will give you a 11 order to tell you summarize border table. It's like full join.
Okay.
Let's see what is. See, it will edit all this. Hotel.
Oh.
It's like a full join.
Okay.
And also this this need to be okay. So one is
Yeah.
so This is
numerous page trackers.
put one. It will act as a full join if you know SQL. So this is work as a full join.
Not
Okay.
This is like no, this and this are same, not equal and this is equal same. So I can put here this 4. Mm. Now suppose if you want to like left join and right join. Suppose you want to take only those values which are common in A and that's all common in B tables.
No, actually, left and right join means it's horizontal or vertical or?
It's it'll take a vertical only. I mean,
Okay.
what a left join so right join here is a proper SQL part, but using this merge condition we can do it. So I can say again I can say some C1 okay, merge A B comma this I'm using by ID. If I can put if A equal to say if A equal to if A. So what it will do, it's like a say left join. I mean, it will take all the values from table A and what are common values from table B. It will take only those data.
Okay.
Suppose you want to see, and it will add all the variables. So you can see there is 8 observations. So let's see. Data 1 has how many observations? 1 has total 8
Eight.
observations. 8.
Yes.
So here also see you can see 8 observations. But the variable in data 1 is how much? Only we have 3 variables. And here you can see it's 4 variables. See now if I open the C1 table, see, this is bonus part it will add it. So it will take all the values from table A and it take all the data from table A, all the data sets. And what are the common data is available from the table B? It will take only those observation variable.
Okay.
The remaining are not taking. You can see this dot 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 dot.
Yeah.
This ID is not available in table. Say table 2 or say second table. Okay.
Okay. Deepan, can you give me 5 minutes? I'll
Okay,
be
fine.
back.
Okay.
பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன்ல அப்புறம் உயிரோட தான் இருக்கேன். ஏன் போன லூசா இருக்கீங்க? நான் தான் தீபாவளில தான்
நம்ம அப்டேட் கேட்டா சொல்லிடுறாங்க. இதை உட்காந்து நம்ம வெரிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ண முடியாது. இருக்கு ஒரு ஆள் உட்காந்து பண்ணணும். இப்போ சாதாரண வேலையா அதுல யாரும் ரோடு பண்ணாங்க. இதே மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு 5 செலவு பண்ணி பாதி ஆமா அது அதுல பண்ணல அவங்க பண்ணல.
Hello.
Machina, ex machina. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, sorry.
You understand this part, no?
Yeah, I understood.
Now,
No, no,
what is
actually,
the
you show me the result for this.
solution? You take all the data from first table. Next,
Okay.
just will take a common values, which are common variable present in the second table. It
Okay.
will take only date. I mean, from date column only, it will take that value only. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Now, same thing I will go with. I mean, now go with the this is called left join. You can see in ProgSQL.
Okay.
Now you can go with the right joins. So I can put this B. So what it can do, it will take all the data from the first table and what a commons variable and the common data available from the left table, it will only display.
Okay.
Just you can take the C2 here. Now here's it is 7 observations. Isn't C2 has 7 observations. If you
Okay.
see table 2,
Mm.
how many days only 7 observations, isn't?
Yeah.
So if you see the C2, see it will take ID, name, and this one they don't have any name. So only this
Okay.
in right table, only this much data is available. Only this is
Okay.
a common variable from both the table, and this all the this ID and bonus available in left table. You can see a second table.
Mm.
So this is one not one, one not see. I don't have any name variable, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is C2. You can see. So this is a difference. So it will take all the data from the first table and what are the common data available and
Yeah.
matching this value, it will take only those data from the uh, left table, say first
Okay.
table. So these
Okay.
are how it's working left and right hand combination.
Uh,
Okay, and the first one is called say inner join.
okay.
So this is our join. Now we do more program on Mars. Some this is the how we can use the Mars statement. Now let's we'll go with yesterday one of my friend he asked some questions, so
Okay.
let's take the I don't know where they left the program might be SQL says plus. Okay, this he went for no this is okay. They get went for some interview. This is a data set I can create it.
Oh, okay.
So
Eh? Wah, Saka.
so this is a data D1 on his data set D1. This is a master data set you can see. Okay, this is a master data set
Okay.
and this is a say data set means like this one more data set. So this is a transaction data set. So here in master data set all IDs are
Okay.
available. Okay. So
Okay.
here all the IDs are available and this is some amount they have in the bank amount say amount and it will also provide the name of the
Okay.
say the transaction ID holder. Now in data 2 they have the only ID and they have the transaction amount. So it is you can say transaction. Okay, I can just say put
Okay.
transaction amount. I can put trans
Okay.
uh, amount this for this column. So now you see there is some amount of 000.
Yeah.
This transaction amount. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I want the details from these two tables. I want only those person name
Is having 0.
who is having 0 transactions
Okay.
with the enter name with enter details. So it includes both the tables, but only ID is common.
Okay.
So how we can do it?
Okay. By inner join.
We can do it inner and fine. It is in proc SQL. By merge statement also we can do it. How we can do it? So this is I probably sorted these two data.
Okay.
How we can do it? I can use merge statement data. I can create a unique. Okay.
Merge.
Then I can use a merge statement. So one I'm writing in equal to A. Is A is not like mandatory. You can put anything inside A. You can put your name. Okay.
But it is not mandatory to assign anything also, right? You can use D1 and D2 also.
Might be, but it's. I mean, if you assign, it's fine because it's might be same work. While you do a D2 and you can put in equal to suppose B. I can put by. Okay, by ID. Now, first I can put if A equal to B, and what I can put, I can put one more condition, and
Transaction amount.
it's trans amount equal to 0. So if we give there's the 5 observations only. Unique.
Okay.
If you see the table, data unique. So here you can see it's all the data coming. And proxy
Select.
select all the column name.
Where?
Then unique join, inner join you can put. Okay.
Okay. Where?
Then you can put here. So you can say you can provide a table name d1.id equal to d2.id, where times amount equal to 0. That will work. So this is the code. If you put this one, I mean in proc SQL. So in proc SQL, you just create a table as well. So create table we are using to create a data set in proc SQL. So this is table I'm using. So here what table I want d1.id d1 inner join. So here trans amount equal to equal to 0.
Okay. Now use trans amount.
Yeah. Trans amount.
So can we use all the SQL statements in SAS also?
Some is like decode is not working. I tried to decode, but select when case it will work.
Okay.
So this is again D5. So you can see the details. Okay, now here see, you can see here d1.id name. You know, select d1.id. So you can say a particular column name. You can do it in Mars also. Suppose in this I get one more table. I just take the ID from this table, ID and name. I just using kit function. Kit ID ID I don't want salary. So from here you want just I want. So here it take only ID partition. Only it's common. So you can do like this also. Now you see the result. Unique one. That is 5,003 variables. Only 3 variables will do it. So unique one you can see this unique one. ID name and transaction amount. If you see unique, the previous one. Here you can see name amount, but we don't want we remove the amount, isn't? We just keep ID name and trans amount in unique one. ID name and trans amount. So like this also you can use. You can keep and drop statement. You can use keep and drop statement here. If you want to rename the column, suppose you want to rename here. I mean, suppose you want to rename.
Name equal to.
Hey, அவனே வரும்போது வரலாறு சொல்லலாம்.
There is unique one. There is ename. You can do like this also. Okay.
Okay.
So
So this is the interview question, right?
they ask in interviews like so. If you go to online good in programs now, if you see first you understand the Excel. If you understand Excel, I think it's easy for you.
Yeah.
If A equal to B and tan 7 equal to 0, even this guy came to me yesterday and came to me and asking these questions.
Okay.
And
அவனே வரும்போது பாண்டிய மன்னர் அவன் முன்னாடி பேர் அவன் அது வந்து வாங்க ஊர் வாங்க பழைய பேர் வந்தேன் இந்த பேர் வந்து அப்புறம் அதுக்கப்புறம் அவனுக்கு என்ன வழியாக பார்த்தீங்க நாராயணன்
so I want to create a subset of data set using merge statement. Okay. Now, suppose I have my data. I just create two separate data from say data say. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Using mark statement, you can say, where's my data set? Okay, I'll go with this function only. I mean, D1. D1 equal to, you can say, I can use statement. A, D2, equal to B. And I can say IB. Now I will create a data set. Is two. I divided data set into two parts. Those who are common in both the data set, it will create one data set, and those where A but not present in B, it will create one more data set. Okay.
Okay.
If I can put if A and say if A equal to B, then I can say its output equal to B. And common common data set. Else if I'm using A is present in A but and not in B data set. It will give you output uncommon. So here I missed to give 10. So 10 uncommon. It's showing in error. So here you can see there is two data sets created. One is become and one is uncommon. Okay. So uncommon has 8 observation and this become has 6 observation, 4 variables. So you can see this is the data both present in this is common in both the table.
Okay.
And you go to down uncommon. So this is the data present in only A, but it is not present in B.
Okay.
So you understand the problem, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So this if A equals to B, then these are taking the common data set in both A and B. Now I can create only those who are present in A, but it is not present in B. I will create uncommon data set, one more. So this will only which is the value in A data set that is not present in B, it will create a separate data set. And this create a data set which is present in both the data set. So we can divide the data this way also.
Okay.
Okay.
So data sets based on the common.
Sorry?
Creating two different data set using conditions.
Yeah, conditions you can use like this also.
Yeah.
So getting tired or not? Today's session is very heavy, yeah?
Yeah.
And interesting as well, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see. Okay, anyhow, I'll finish today part.
Yeah.
just I can do, I can some data, so I'll take it from my Excel now.
Yeah.
Um, where it is present. Someone else. Jet file. Okay, jet file here using sales ingredients. Box, okay, you've seen this data set.
Yeah.
So there is, I mean, I want to see. Okay, let's see. Because first I import a file. So where it is? How to import data file.
Deepan, we can import the file using import option in the file tab, right?
Yeah, yeah. You can do it also like this.
Yeah.
You can do coding also, but I'm doing coding now. It's my heavy role here. Okay, also. So I can put here as a bank data
Okay.
and VBMS. Okay, run. So I can put run. The data is imported to my system, bank data.
Okay.
Now, what I'm gonna do is that this is my data set. I want to see
Okay.
the last transaction of this ID.
What?
I want to see this. We have in this data set.
Okay.
Okay, you see 1 4 10 ID 10 10. Okay, I think there might be 3. So this
Okay.
one transaction has one ID has many 10 transactions.
Yeah.
Now I want to see the last transaction of each ID
Okay.
and first transaction of each ID as well.
Okay. We should sort the date first.
Yeah, what I can do.
Yeah.
So this is like how you can do is proc import and proc sort the data
By date.
file. You can put the bang even bang and sorting the data by
Date.
ID and date. We can do like this for both. This is how can you sorting data more than 2 variables.
Okay.
So it will sort it accordingly. Now if you see the report, bank data is sorted.
Okay.
Say this is ID wise and date wise.
Okay.
Now what you can do, I'll see there is two function in SAS, this automatic variable. One is first and one is last.
Yeah. First OBS, OBS.
Now there is different. There is first,
Okay.
we can put dot ID and last dot ID. So first I can see the
Okay.
create a data set. I'll create data first.
Is it like a rank? First and last?
No, this will help you to take your first data and last data. You can find suppose in a particular table. So I just created data first, then set bank. Bank is a data set name. You can put if first dot
Bank.
ID.
Sorry, ID.
This one. So it will, if you do first transaction of each ID, like this, there is something variable first dot ID is uninitialized. So before using this, we can use by ID. Okay. After that, we can do. It will work. Now it's work. Now if you see, this is second create a first, isn't it? This is first. So it will take first transaction of each ID. Now you can compare with your master bank data, isn't it? I sorted the velocity. I can open
Okay.
this to 101 first value is 35,000.
Okay.
Then 8 April 2014. And this is my
Okay.
35,000 8 April 2014. Isn't? So it will
These are the
take.
first transactions.
Sorry?
So this is the first transaction of this ID, right?
The first transaction is ID. Okay. Now it's clear.
Yeah, clear.
Similarly, I can
The same like same is
can,
end also, right?
ending we can use last. So we are using this, we can put the data last and we can put here last ID. Like this, you can see the last ID of. So this is last 48,000 and the last bank 148,000.
Then போங்க நான் வரேன் அப்போ.
Is it clear? 48,000
Yeah,
and
clear.
48,000. So for this last ID. So this is two automatic variable available in cell. So take the last and first observations. Okay, first ID. These are using the. So you want this notepad, this coding in notepad.
Actually, Bhavna asked to
Okay.
send this program. So you just send to me also as well as Bhavna. Deepan, I'm going to my hometown tomorrow night. So
Okay.
I will be available tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow and Wednesday I will not be available. Thursday onwards I will be available.
Okay, fine. Tomorrow let's only start from data stream.
Yeah, fine. If you want, you can ask Bhavna also if she wants to do a class on the day after tomorrow. Or
Okay, fine.
If she's okay, you just.
That's a raajez.
No, no, not this.
This Rajesh Kumar, isn't it? It's not.
Ah, yeah, yeah, that's one.
This March College to practice, they're asking the interviews.
Okay, okay, fine. வரேன்பா முடிச்சிட்டோம். ஏய் மூஞ்சி கழிச்சுலாம் வரல. அப்ப நீங்க போங்க, நான் வரேன்.
எது காசு
Okay. So how is this one now?
Yeah, Deepan?
How is this? Go to live, is it? We can, where you can install this one?
That's it. Actually, it is already saved in your account.
Okay, now how we can close this one?
Just close the this window, and I think you can see that in your account only, YouTube account. You can go to my videos in YouTube.
My videos. Oh, where in my system?
Yeah, in your, not in your system. You go to YouTube and log in your account.
Okay.
Go to my channel.
Okay. So I
There you can.